Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, good. What about others? Two people only have told yes, ma'am. What about others? You all? Are you with me?
I have a doubt.
Yes, yes, please ask.
Yes, ma'am. In the last one, ma'am,
Okay.
you told when C is there, we put a constant.
Yeah, any constant, any number.
So we write the constant as any constant into t power 0.
Yeah.
But that exponent form is not for the 3 only, ma'am. It's only for t, ma'am, not for the whole value.
Which this power you're talking?
That 0 is not for 3, no, ma'am. So how do we, how do we
Okay,
tell?
I got your doubt. I got your doubt. Suppose we have first formula. I'm going to show you first formula, then you'll understand. First formula is not just t power n. Let's assume that the function is differentiation of 5t power 4. Okay. Now there is something else in addition to t power 4. No. So let's write that outside. 5 differentiation of only variable I'm going to keep inside t power 4. Now this looks like 5 into, now I'll apply formula. N is 4. So n into t power n minus 1. Is it clear? Guys, also I don't want you guys to fall into the trap of writing the formula. The moment you see t power 5, the moment you see t power 5, you should be able to tell, ma'am, answer 5t power 4. 5 comes here, n minus 1 comes here. The moment you see, let's say 100, t power 100, ma'am, 100 t power 99. The moment you see t power 39, please tell me fast, guys. Ma'am, can you explain once? Sure,
39 t power 38.
I'll explain once again. 38. Guys, whoever understood, quickly take a screenshot of this one. I will erase and explain once more. Once I'll tell. Okay. Blue is only best actually. Okay. So see students, differentiation is nothing but slope. The word differentiation means nothing but slope. Slope means what? You used to represent it with in math represented with symbol m. Do you remember? Or tan theta or y by x. Actually delta y by delta x. Delta means change in y by change in x. Actual meaning of this statement to tell me how y is changing as x is changing means how y is depending on x to change. See, any graph you take, maybe say charge and time, how charge is changing along with time, or maybe say acceleration and time, how acceleration is changing with time, displacement time, velocity time, force displacement. So many graphs are there, how each one is varying on based on the other. That's what is nothing but dependent quantity, independent quantity. Okay. Now see, slope only is nothing but differentiation. That one thing you remember. Differentiation means nothing but slope. But word you should remember is small slope. Suppose this is a characteristic. If this is the characteristic, only little part of it when you are talking about, that time we'll say dx is this part. Okay. This much whatever we're discussing is a dy part. So dy by dx we are talking about slope. Alright. This much dy means not this. Please don't think that this is dy. This change over here, see some x1, y1 let's say, some x2, y2 let's say. That change is dy. The dy is the y2 minus y1. Guys, are you with me? Sarthak, Saurish and who is that? More.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Kirtana. Yeah, okay. Cool.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, till here, okay, clear. What's the meaning of differentiation? Is it clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose in our chapter, I do have, once in a way, I do have very good Anuran, very good submitted assignment. Others, I hope you've done too. Anyway, I do have integration too. I just want to explain meaning of integration. So differentiation is small change, na? Integration is from here to here, entire characteristic of the graph. So integration is just opposite of differentiation. Differentiation is just small change. This is total characteristics of the graph. First, the meaning, if you understood, I'll explain the formulas now. Derivation of formulas is not a part of physics because that's a 2 hour topic, that is not right now. So just for now, you will have to learn the formula. Even you will not learn the derivation any day. Okay. I want you to replace x with n, guys, because x with t, guys, because always our variable is time. You'll only find the question in terms of time. So don't write x. Everywhere x is there, please put t. T is the time. In maths, now we have x as the variable. X and y are the variables, right? So anyway, differentiation of, how you read this part is, this is a function now. How you read it is differentiation of t power n. To read it, you will read it as differentiation of t power n, or another way, d by dx, d by dt of t power n. Okay, both ways are correct. Whichever one you are finding easier, you can do that. So d by dx of t power n equals n times n into t power n minus 1. Let's look at that one. Suppose we have d by dt of t power 3. What is n here? 3. T power n, no guys. See, t power n, like the formula. Here n is 3. So n into t power n minus 1. So this becomes 3t square. Alright. Like that only, let's see fast. T power 7. What will it be? N into t power
7t to the power of 6.
Yeah, I want Sarthak,
T power 6.
Saurish and Sarthak and Kirtana. You guys, I want you only to answer.
Yes, ma'am.
About t power 12.
12 T power 11.
T power 11.
Are you there, Sarthak? You will answer this one fast. Fast, Sarthak. Wait.
25 T power 24.
That is not Sarthak's voice, and I think it's Dijesh voice or another boy's voice.
Yes, ma'am. I am Sarthak, ma'am.
Please tell me this differentiation. Differentiation of t power 36 becomes 36 n into t power n minus 1. Are you getting
Ma'am,
it?
is
Sarthak, are you getting it or not? Because you asked a doubt. I'm asking. Kirtana, how about you? You got it?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Okay.
hello, ma'am.
Yes, you understand, Sarthak? 109. Please do this. Very simple, actually, guys. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the basic first formula, guys. Now I'll explain what happens in second and third formula. It's very important. Ma'am, I have audio issue. I'm literally screaming. Okay, cool. Never mind. But did you understand? That's the point. Did you understand? I can hear him type. Okay. Okay. Everyone, guys, I'm erasing what is on this slide. I will explain the other two formulas. See how we got one here. Actually, same formula, but I don't want you to remember. That's why I told you to just take the value. Differentiation of t is 1 default. How, ma'am? Because here t means nothing but t power 1. N into t to the power of n minus 1, guys. N into t power of 0. So 1 into 1 totally, this is 1. Hope it's clear. Everyone, yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes ma'am, quickly. In rush of yes ma'am should be there in the chat. If you have understood. If did not understand, very good, very good. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. What about this one? Very good, Bhavya. Anyway, so what about this one? Kirtana, okay. What about this constant? I don't have t only. Variable is only not there. You can't differentiate. When variable is only not there, there is no differentiation possible. In literal terms, if you speak, you can't even differentiate. So that's why 0. Or if you want to apply formula, see, d by dt of some constant. I will give a constant so that it's easy. Suppose 7 is the constant. I can rewrite this as d by dt of, so 7 outside, d by dt of t power 0, because I can assume that as a 1. That is 7 into n into t power n minus 1, 0 into t power 0 minus 1, 0 into anything, whole thing become a 0. Okay guys, remember differentiation of t is 1, differentiation of constant is 0. Can I move to the question? Okay, first I will give you few questions before going to actual. Differentiate the following. First one, differentiation of t cube plus t power 4. Quick guys, okay? Differentiation of 3t square plus 2t. Differentiation of same values, huh? Change them. Okay, first you guys try it, then I will do. So how to do when addition is there means separately differentiate this t cube, separately differentiate this t power 4 using t power n formula. Guys, I don't want you guys to be stuck up in the formula. I want you guys to be quick enough to say, ma'am, t cube means 3t square. If you are in that scale, then it's good. If you have to every time look, okay, n. So n means 3, n into t power 3 minus 1. If you're writing the 3 minus 1, then that's a really bad thing. Tell me the answer. Okay, Bhavya, good. What about others? Others, you all got same thing? 4t cube. Okay. Suppose he says find this value at t equals to 2. Means you just have to substitute 2 in the place of. Alright. Please do the second one also. So 3 is a constant. 3 if you remove it outside. T square is nothing but 2t. How ma'am? N into t power n minus 1. 2 into t power 2 minus 1. That's nothing but 2t. Plus 2 into differentiation of t, guys, second formula 1. This becomes a 60 plus 2. Anyone not understanding? Very good, Dilip. You can take common, yeah. What about others? Are you understanding? Dvijesh and other names I'm seeing. Anran, okay. Hassan, are you understanding how come he has become silent these days? Rohan, Gyan, how are you? Are you understanding? Virupaksh, Vinay Shri, Kushal, good, okay. Shanmukh, are you understanding? Okay. Aditya Sharma, Anand, Mansa. Okay. Good. Okay. See guys, if you're not understanding, I am no, foreteller to tell whether you're understanding or not. You should ask. Okay. Ashrit, good. Hassan, good. But my mic is not okay, fine, no problem. So guys, without without going to see the formula, try to do it on your own. The third bit. 4 is a constant.
Ma'am, 4 into 2t square plus 7 into 2 into t.
Very good.
Plus 2 into 1.
Plus
2 into 1. Yes, ma'am.
Adhyaksh, is that you? Ananya is waiting in lobby. 1 second. Why she is waiting in the lobby? Okay, fine. Never mind. Okay, guys. See, I want you guys to little bit level up. Till now, you're able to do correct. You're going fine. Little more level up. What it is whenever constant is there, directly multiply. So next time onwards, tell me, ma'am, 12t square. Sure, you're saying 4 into 3t square. Let's be more quick by multiplying these also. 12t square plus 14t plus 2. Okay? Let me give you few more. Just quickly tell me, and two more I'll give. We'll move to the top. 8t cube plus 4t power 4 plus 3t square. Next one. Differentiation of t power 7 plus 5t power 4 plus 3t plus 5. Constant I have given. I will see who does it correctly in the second case. Quickly do it, guys. Quickly, come on. Ananya, you have gone out of the room. Little bit you have missed. Are you understanding how to
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool, cool, cool.
Second answer is 7t power 6 plus 20t power 3
Very
plus
good.
plus 3 plus 0.
Very good, Dilip. Correct. Anran, correct. Very good. Plus 0. This is a constant, so no differentiation, 0. Here, directly tell me. 8 threes.
24t square plus 16t cube plus 6t.
Very good. Okay, done. Why do we need to use differentiation in here is because when you want to find instantaneous value for anything, when you want to find instantaneous value, you can go for differentiation concepts. Okay, guys? Yeah, correct, Anuran. Okay. Whenever you want to find differentiation instantaneous at that particular instant value, you will go for differentiation. Whenever you want average value, you will go for, suppose I'm going to talk only about current, I equals to delta Q by delta T if you're talking average current. I equals to dQ by dt if I'm talking instantaneous current. Make a note. That's why we instantaneous at that particular time, what is the current? Suppose I want a car is moving on a road. This is a car, it's moving on a road. The car is really bad. Okay, fine. This is a car, it's moving on a road. I know what's the velocity, average velocity we know that is total displacement by total time. I want instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity means by time. So the next chapter after magnetism we have advanced 1D motion. In that differentiation concepts of velocity and acceleration you will be learning. Okay, moving further guys, let's see if you're able to do quickly. If a charge is given by, ma'am, when to apply this kind of formula is whenever the charge is in, okay, I'll use another color. Okay guys, whenever you have charge which is represented in the terms of time, whenever you have charge or any other variable which is represented in the terms of time, then only you can use differentiation. You can't differentiate otherwise. Basically, if this variable is available over here, then only you can use differentiation concepts. All right, start doing. Given charges 2t cube plus 3t plus 3. 27 ampere, Vinayshri, come on, good. What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
I will find instantaneous current is dq by dt. So d by dt of, see how I'm reading it. Please don't think, ma'am, t and t will cancel, those kind of things you must not say. The function is 3.
It will be 60 square plus
60 square plus
3.
3 plus 0.
Yeah, but he asked us, guys, usually we write it in maths in this way, dq by dt at what is that, at t equals to 2 seconds. Okay, usually we write like this, drawing a line we write. I'm just showing you representations. It's not important, but representation. So 2 square of this gives us 24 plus 3, which is 27. Hope it's clear to you all. Little bit difficult to write with this thing, but trying. Okay guys, yeah, okay. Moving to next one. Try quickly. Constant is there. Careful with constant. Guys, is there any single one of you who did not understand? I hope it's clear to everyone. Because the next worksheet is based on this concept. Okay, clear. Already they told the answer. Good. Good, 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 Anuran. Rashmi, good. Answer quickly. Adyasha, what about you? Is it clear to you? 12 amperes, correct, good answer. It's an instantaneous current because the word current at 3 seconds.
12 amperes.
Yeah, good. Kushal, what about you? I'm waiting for answer. Anish, are you there? Even? Oh, he has also said. Okay, good, good, good. Suddenly became silent. I think online classes is the one. No, I won't complete that. So t cube minus 60 plus 2, just differentiate that. I equals, very good. So many answers are there. Good. All of you all are correct. Okay. Here I'm giving you one more question. Whoever finished, ratio of current at already you found 3, no? 4 seconds to current at 6 seconds. Please find the ratio of currents at 4 seconds to 6. Whoever has finished, we can go for that question. Guys, others, see, differentiation of what is our Q? Here it is there. T cube minus 60 plus 2. Alright. So, if I look at it, guys, I'm expanding it for you all only whoever didn't understand and feeling scared to ask. Individually, we'll differentiate every single term. Plus 2 obviously is going to differentiate to 0. So individually I'm differentiating. This is t power n formula. N into t power n minus 1. So 3 into t power 3 minus 1. Likewise, here differentiation of t is 1. So 3t square minus 6. Some people already told. Anurag is saying that 13 by 33. Others, how about you? So here I wanted at t equals to 3 seconds. So 27 minus 6. Guys, you have not got, all are telling 12 ampere in the previous at t equals to.
Ma'am, I got 21.
It's 21. Even I got 21, ma'am.
Everyone, why they said, I
was confused.
think they did like this. 27 minus 6 into 3, I think they did t over here also. That to so many of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Please
Even
see
I got 21.
Okay, good. Who is that?
Ma'am, Manasa.
Manasa.
Actually confused. They told the answer, so I was waiting for you to solve.
No, never mind. Whatever be the answer, you must share what you got. Then only we learn. See, I don't judge you, no, if wrong or right. Yes, ma'am, I did that only. But you got 12. How can you get 12 then? Okay, I think they did that 2 seconds. T is equal to 3 seconds. I think, yeah, they would have done 12 seconds. Those people who got 2 seconds they did. No, still they won't get 2. I don't know how they got.
The ratio I've got as 21 is to 51, ma'am.
In the ratio I4 by I6, let's see. I at 4 is 3 into t square is 16 minus 6 by 3 into 6 square is 36 minus 6. 16 3 is 48. 48 minus 6 is a 42. 36 3 is, okay, that's going to take a while. 108 minus 6 is a 102. Guys, no one got, I am saying I did wrong method that you just mentioned. Okay, fine.
21 by 51.
21 by 51. Yes, some people said this answer. Good.
7 by 17. Get the ratio one.
Got another answer.
Have to simplify it.
I was typing 21, ma'am. It became 12 by 51.
Okay, fine. Okay. Bhavya, did you understand where you went wrong?
No, actually, if we simplify 21 by 51, we get 7 by 7.
Further. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Good.
Ma'am, I did not get the ratio one.
Okay, fine. I'll do that again. Others, did you understand the first part? Ratio, I'll do it again. So
Yes,
till
ma'am.
here it's clear. 3t square minus 6 I'm going to use again. See guys, I got current as 3t square minus 6. Current ratio is 3t square minus 6. Current after differentiation becomes this. I can find current at any time at t equal to 4 seconds, at t equal to 6 seconds. I can find. Okay, let's find them individually. 3 into 4 square, just substitute in the place of time, minus 6. 3 into 16 minus 6. This comes to 48 minus 6, 42 ampere. Likewise, 3 into 6 square minus 6. This comes to, see this is a 108 and this is minus 6. This is a 102 ampere. So I just asked their ratio. So divide them. And finally simplify, they got like this after simplification. Okay, now Anam, did you understand now? Someone asked, I don't know who it is. Jayant, Jayant, are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
I didn't ask, ma'am.
Jayant, are you there? Shivakumar, are you there? Ashit is there. Jayan.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vijesh, I cannot hear you. Only good morning I heard. That's it. Sahiti, are you there? Okay. Okay, guys. Next concept. Okay, let's see the time. All right. I'll not take your break. Don't worry. Okay. So, first of all, listen to this carefully. This is a little different. The way I explain is going to be little different than what you have heard till now. Conventional current. Everyone, you already know it. Tell me, what is the direction of conventional current? Everyone. Jan Central, I think.
Positive to negative.
Very good. Conventional
to
current
negative.
is positive to negative.
Positive to negative.
Whereas, this is okay. Whereas electron direction is from.
Negative to positive.
Positive.
My question is why? My question is why? Why are they opposite? Anybody wanna try?
So that time electrons were not
Discovered.
discovered.
So correct only you're saying. Come on.
They assumed that.
Ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Electrons were not discovered at that time, so they assumed that it goes like that. Because we shouldn't prove them wrong, we state it as conventional current of electricity.
Okay, Anish, because you've answered so well, I want to ask one more question, which is, okay, let's me assume the conductor. I'm not going to draw resistor, just drawing the conductor this way. And I'm going to draw the battery this way as well. Okay, this is a battery, positive and negative terminal respectively. Now, my question, Anish, to you is, why specifically to you is because you stood up and answered. So now, thing is, you're saying, okay, electrons were not discovered, protons were there, they thought protons were, and we don't want to, okay, all that is fine. Why only this direction, positive to negative? There should be some reason, right? You know,
Because, ma'am, opposite poles attract, no, ma'am. In the sense, negative will attract positive and positive will attract negative.
okay, so are you talking from battery's point of view?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Ma'am, high potential to low potential.
who is that? Who is that?
Ma'am, Shiva Kumar.
Very good, Shiva Kumar. Finally, I got answer which I'm looking for. See, guys, this is all depending on concepts. One is potential, higher potential to lower potential, only flow.
Ma'am, voice is dropping in the middle, ma'am.
Whose voice?
Yours only. Like it just goes very low suddenly and then it comes back.
Maybe I don't know if you unmute yourself, it's like that. Let's see. Anyway, so high potential to low potential. One more concept is electron repulsion. Like poles repel each other. That's what we learned in electrostatic. See guys, electrostatic concepts, most of them will be repeated in current electricity. Now carefully listen. Let's use another color. Carefully listen to the thing. Anybody asks you next time, you should be able to tell. When I think about a battery, all you should understand that battery has a positive terminal doesn't mean positive ions, but lesser number of negative ions. Okay, at positive terminal. Negative terminal means more number of negative ions. Concentration of negative ions is greater over here. That is the potential. All right. Now let's see what is conductor. Conductor means it is having some kind of free electrons. I'm just drawing negative sign because I don't want to put E. Anyway, okay, fine. Once in a way I'll put E. Okay. Now what's happening is, guys, these are also electrons. These are also electrons, right? Some kind of repulsion is happening between them. Here also there are electrons. Very carefully listen. Here also there are electrons. Some kind of repulsion is happening here. Till here clear? Now the repulsion caused by the negative terminal of the battery, that is this repulsion, is greater by some amount compared to this repulsion because more electrons are there at negative terminal. All right, guys. So this repulsion is little bit greater. So I'm going to just do one thing. I'll use another color. Okay, because this repulsion is greater, it is driving these electrons little bit further towards this side. All right. When it's moving these electrons towards this side, these electrons are gaining some kind of kinetic energy, some kind of velocity. Let's say velocity. That velocity is pushing the electron towards which terminal? Positive terminal. That velocity and that kinetic energy is high enough to break off this repulsion. Guys, this is all happening in like 10 to the power of minus 7 seconds. Very, very small time, but it is happening. I just want you to know that. Repulsion is there, but this repulsion little bit greater, pushing the electrons with some velocity. That velocity is called as drift velocity. As the electrons are moving, they are able to overcome this repulsion. So let's say that one electron has come out from here, passed through the wire and entered the positive terminal. The moment one electron enters here, one electron leaves from here, and this is your path. If you look at the path, look from the battery's point of view, going in this way. From the negative to the positive. Who is going? Electron is directed from the negative to the positive. Now, if we replace the entire circuit with protons, I mean, if he thought that proton is flowing, obviously it will flow in the opposite direction. Okay, guys. Okay, positive to negative, negative to positive, but understand the meaning, inner meaning of it. Okay. Again, next class I'll be talking about something called as drift velocity. I hope you understood that because of this repulsion and pushing, the velocity gained by the electron is drift velocity. That is the velocity that is gained by the electron to move towards the positive terminal. That is a drift velocity. So again, I won't draw this diagram. Is the concept clear, every one of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Array, someone is waiting in lobby. Now they are waiting in lobby. I don't know what.
I'm short break now.
Yeah, I know. I just wanted to know if it's clear to you, every one of you, every single one of you. Dvijesh, is
Yes,
it clear
ma'am.
to you? Sarthak?
Yes, ma'am. Fully clear.
Okay, thank you. Others, clear to you all, Srirama, Shaurish? Everyone understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Enjoy your short break. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a great day, ma'am.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you. I should make someone host, no? Dilip, I'm just making you the host.
Ma'am, it's short break, right? So you can leave.
I do.
No, it's okay.
It's okay. I'll just make the host and leave.